guys, I'm Tiffany with Off Leash Canine Training in Fredericksburg, Virginia. This is Beau. He's here with me for our famous 2-week board and train program. He's a 6-month-old St. Bernard. He's here because he likes to pull on the leash. He's kind of coming into himself a little bit. He is very sweet though. He just is a big boy, needs to have some self-control. So we're gonna work on that, right, Beau? He likes to take his owners for walks and drag them down hills and stuff. So let me show you a few things he'll do for me or not do for me today, besides pull me. Beau, come. Good. That was a good come, good boy. Can you sit? Sit. Good sit. Can you down? Down. He's been to puppy class. I think it's just he has not very much impulse control, so down. He can't hold his commands very well. He's like, okay, maybe not. Can you heel? Can you heel? Heel. He's like, I'm gonna walk you, lady. All right, guys, enjoy his after video. He's gonna be amazing after this. Oh, and no play biting no more. We're not allowed to do that no more.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air, like I don't care, baby. By the way, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Come on. That's